In this video, we're breaking down the hottest camping and hiking essentials you need to have for your 2024 adventures. So let's get ready, set, camp. Bug spray can be a hassle. It might not always work, and some people don't like using chemicals. But what if there was a different way? Enter the 3D Flow Jacket. This innovative piece of gear uses a special kind of netting to create a barrier against insects, all without any chemicals. It's like an invisible shield that lets you breathe easy while keeping bugs away. Pretty cool, right? You can choose between 4 different colors depending on your preference of activity or style: Amazonian Camouflage, Aqua Blue, Techno Gray, or Pink Dolphin. And the best part? You can snag one of these for around $180. That's a small price to pay for peace of mind on your next camping trip. Looking for a new way to enjoy a campfire? Then check out this innovative product called the Tripod Torch. The Tripod Torch is a lightweight propane fire that burns vertically, giving off heat like a traditional campfire, but without the smoke or ash. It's also super stable and comes with ground stakes for extra security. Plus, it's easy to use and clean up after. Imagine toasting marshmallows around a fire that's safe for all ages and won't leave you smelling like smoke. If you're interested in getting your hands on this unique fire pit, you can back their project and snag a Tripod Torch for a discounted price of around $120 to $150. Elevate your campfire game with the Tripod Torch and enjoy a safer fire and unforgettable outdoor adventures. No camping trip is complete without a good headlamp. And there are a ton of headlamps to choose from out there, but one of the best is from Lighting Ever. The Lighting Ever headlamp boasts a super bright LED light that can light up to 500 feet away, making it perfect for nighttime adventures. It's rechargeable, so you won't have to worry about constantly buying new batteries. On a single charge, you can get up to 30 hours of continuous light. The headlamp is also lightweight, waterproof, and shockproof, making it a durable companion for any outdoor activity. For just around $20, the Lighting Ever headlamp is a great value. It's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a reliable and affordable headlamp for your next camping trip. Stay charged on the go with the Anker PowerCore 1000 portable charger, delivering fast and reliable power and a remarkably compact design. This compact and lightweight charger packs a punch with a 10,000 mAh capacity, which is enough to give your phone multiple charges throughout the day. It also features Anker's Power IQ and voltage boost technologies for fast and efficient charging. Safety is important too, and the Anker PowerCore comes equipped with Anker's multi-protect safety systems to protect your devices from overcharging, short circuits, and other electrical hazards. For around $23, the Anker PowerCore 1000 is a reliable and affordable way to keep your phone charged up for your next camping adventure. Keep your gear dry and compressed on any adventure with the Evac Compression Dry Bag's waterproof and air-permeable design. This award-winning waterproof storage solution is ultra-versatile, perfect for a wide range of activities, from backpacking to sea kayaking and a ton more. It's got an innovative E-vent fabric base that allows air to be pushed out while keeping water from getting in, ensuring your gear stays dry and well compressed. The non-wicking roll-top closure, secured with the patented field repair buckle, provides a secure and reliable seal, giving you the peace of mind you need on all your adventures. Coming in at just under $40, this dry bag is a pretty reasonable investment to experience the ultimate in waterproof and compressible gear storage. This one will definitely not disappoint. Upgrade your outdoor adventures with the WEYLAND Bushcraft Settlers tool and experience the convenience and versatility of this essential survival tool. This tool features a 1-inch diameter wood auger bit that can be used to drill holes in wood for shelter building, furniture creation, or even fire starting. The included peg maker allows you to create pegs that fit perfectly into the holes you drill, making it an incredibly versatile tool. The tool is made from a durable alloy steel and comes with a handy leather sheath for safe and convenient carrying. At about 38 bucks, it's a phenomenal addition to any bushcraft kit. Be prepared for any emergency with the fireproof and waterproof pre-filled emergency ready pack. This emergency pack is a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need to survive for 5 days in an emergency situation. The pack includes a first aid kit and masks for 2 people, a multi-tool, rope, hand warmer, quick dry towel, 5-year shelf life water and food bar, safety goggles, hand sanitizer, and a bamboo toothbrush and mouthwash, ensuring you have everything you need during an emergency. By having this emergency preparedness kit on hand, you'll be much better prepared to weather any storm. Get yourself a little device that takes the hassle out of securing your tent lines, tarp straps, or any other rope or cord you might be using on your camping trip. Get the CamJam cord tightener. This innovative tool is perfect for camping, hiking, and various outdoor activities, offering a knot-free way to tighten, tension, connect, and secure loads with ease. The CamJam cord tightener allows you to tighten and secure ropes without the need for complicated knots. The included carabiner clip makes it easy to attach the cord tightener to a fixed endpoint, such as a D-ring or tarp loop, ensuring your gear stays securely in place. For just 10 bucks for a 4-pack, it's a great piece of gear to add to your camping collection. Looking for a backpack cooler that can keep your drinks ice cold for days? The Loch series cooler backpack from EarthPack might be the perfect solution. This backpack cooler boasts impressive insulation that can keep your drinks and snacks cold for up to 72 hours. It's constructed with high-density foam and features a waterproof exterior that's puncture and abrasion resistant, so no more worries about leaks or soggy lunches. This backpack is also designed for comfort with a padded back panel and adjustable straps for easy carrying. It even has a built-in bottle opener and multiple exterior pockets for storing extra gear. At about 158 bucks, it offers high-performance features at a super competitive price point for those serious outdoor enthusiasts. Experience ultimate outdoor comfort and convenience with HangPad. The all-in-one hammock, sleeping pad, and beach blanket designed for adventurers seeking versatility and relaxation. The HangPad is made up of ripstop nylon and features an inflatable sleeping pad, built-in pillow, and adjustable tree straps. It also comes with a quick pump for easy inflation. The HangPad is currently available for pre-order with a discounted price that starts at 99 bucks for a single HangPad and goes up to $559 for a family pack of 4 HangPads. Reserve your HangPad now and be ready for those summer adventures. Alright campers, that's it for our ultimate camping and hiking gear guide for 2024. Let us know in the comments below which one of these caught your eye, or if there's another piece of gear you think we absolutely need to cover next time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me on this adventure, and until next time, stay wild and happy camping.